This is a wastegate actuator on a 1.4 VW 2016 Jetta. Customer got the part online. Not many videos on this. I'm gonna give it a shot. I don't know if this is the right part. Here we go. All right, first we're gonna take this heat shield off. Got a 10 mil, and then you have these triple square. This is a 10, and we'll take the bracket off so that we can get some eyes down there. When you're breaking the torque off this one back here about a turbo, it has some torque on it. Don't play with it. Make sure you got a long ratchet or step size up. Like, don't play with it. You don't want to round that off. It took a little bit of force to get that one loose. These were okay. Once you get those bolts off, this is one piece, and you can't really get it out easily without taking the oxygen sensor out. So go ahead and take that out. Okay, so whoever put this oxygen sensor in overdid it by a lot. My tool was slightly beginning to round off, so I just went ahead and stopped. Took out these two bolts, T30s, for this oil cooler, coolant lines for the turbo. It gives me just enough room so that I was able to shift it out and get it out of the way. Now, we see we have another, looks like T30. Let me do another video. All right, there she is. We have another T30, and we have our clip right there. Push that off with a screwdriver or a pick. The new one comes with new clips, and there's two T30s, one on top, one on the bottom. All right, so when I can't see things, I use my camera phone as eyes, and you all will witness my journey. Where we at? Right there. Okay. Get my pick. Position my hands. Focus. All right, where we at, Alex? Let's turn it around if we can. Probably gonna drop this. I shouldn't say that. I'm not gonna drop this. Don't poke yourself. Well, dropped it and poked the latex, not me, so we're good. That's off, guys. It comes out the backside. All right, so now we'll take these two T30s off. Also, the connection for it is right on top here. Right there. Push down. I actually already unclipped it, but you push down, pull the clip back, it pops out. Now we'll take the T30s off. To get the lower one out, put my arm behind this brace and use a couple wobbles so that I can kind of catch a little bit of an angle, and I was able to get it out and had my hand there to catch it, so I didn't lose it. This other one is a little bit easier to access. For the top bolt, I used my 1/4-inch ratchet to break the torque and spinning the rest out by hand. And then you can already see she's free. because of the angle. This one's tough. There she goes. All right. Should be free from here. Yep. Come on out of there, young lady. Let's go right back on. So I see now this new one, they've installed studs rather than the bolts that VW installed. So it also comes with the clips, the extra clip, I guess. Well, two clips and the nuts. So you don't have to feed the bolts. I'm gonna route it in. I definitely recommend you hook this to the turbo before you mount. Well, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. We'll have to see. Okay, so when you're putting this on, this is gonna not be quite long enough to fit on your wastegate. You're gonna have to, and it takes some force. Hold on. You gotta pull it out some. You gotta pull it out some, and that'll be what you need to get it installed on the wastegate. I don't know, we'll see if it works. All right, that actually kind of worked really good. So put the vice grips on, and it took a little bit trying to finagle it in, but now I can easily get on my wastegate. Well, with two hands, it's easy. All right, it's our finished product. And we'll let